So you can have a small little crystal. You can have a little larger crystal, or you can use a Vogel type cut crystal to do this. And this is a process that we will go through. The first step is we're going to build up the pranic energies in our body. And we're going to do that through the breath. And we take a deep breath in. Hold for a few seconds. And then slowly release. Hold for a few seconds. Take a deep breath in. Hold. And then slowly release. And the last time, take a deep breath in. Hold and slowly release. Build up the pranic energy in our bodies. Now, the first thing, as Marcel and Jenhan both recommend, is we have to clear the crystal that we're using of any previous imprints of energy, since the crystal does hold all energies. And we do this with intention. And so you take the crystal, use a natural crystal. Not everybody has a Vogel crystal. Put your fingers like this, and your fingers like this, okay? Take a deep breath in with the intention of clearing. And when you release your breath with that intention, do it with a rapid pulse through your nostrils, all right? And rotate it to another set of facets and do the same thing again with the intention of clearing. Okay, now the crystal is clear. Now we're going to connect and become one with the crystal. Rotate the crystal in your hand, rub, and feel the facets that builds up the piezoelectric charge within the crystal. You'll start to feel like a little surface charge on the surface of the crystal facets. Okay, now that we are at one with the crystal, and the crystal is an extension of our consciousness that's linked into the planetary matrix of Terra and all beings, with the love for the planet and all living beings on planet Terra, fully imagine the most benevolent outcome of a timeline here on the planet Earth in your mind's eye. See that timeline and feel it in your heart at the same time that it is already now. It is our current reality. Take a deep breath in, holding that vision. And when you release your breath with a rapid pulse, also give your crystal like a little pulse, physical squeeze at the same time as you release your pulse of breath. So with that vision in mind, take a deep breath in. Project that vision into the crystal. Know that it is sent through the planetary matrix and that the program is now written. Be grateful. Know that it is so. Thank you.